In Switzerland, where breathtaking views surround you, your eyes connect you to the wonders of life. But for those battling eye diseases, that connection may fade. At Stem Cell Care India, we specialize in offering Swiss patients world-class stem cell therapy solutions for a range of eye conditions. Our goal is to restore your vision and your ability to experience life to the fullest. Our treatments address conditions such as optic nerve, atrophy, age-related macular degeneration, retinitis, pigmentosa, eye injuries, retinopathy, glaucoma disease, septo, optic dysplasia, and retinal detachment, providing hope for those struggling with vision loss. Stem cells, with their incredible regenerative capabilities, repair and replace damaged tissues, offering hope for conditions like optic neuropathy, optic nerve hypoplasia, and even complex injuries. Switzerland patients are at the heart of our care. From visa assistance and personalized travel arrangements to Swiss language translators and culturally tailored support, we ensure a smooth and comforting experience. Our cutting-edge stem cell therapy harnesses the body's regenerative potential to repair damaged tissues, offering new hope for conditions like glaucoma, optic neuropathy, and eye injuries. Why to choose SCCI? Because of our globally accredited hospitals, advanced treatments, and unmatched affordability. Swiss patients trust Stem Cell Care India for delivering results while enjoying seamless travel and care coordination. Regain the beauty of Switzerland through your eyes. Choose Stem Cell Care India, your trusted partner in regenerative eye treatments. Start your journey to better vision today.